Welcome to Guide Glimpse. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to turn off any iPhone without using the touchscreen, and also without resorting to a forced restart. To begin, quickly press the volume up button, followed by the volume down button, then press and hold the power button until the screen shuts off. If you release the buttons at this point, your iPhone will simply restart. To ensure it remains fully turned off, continue holding both the volume up button and the power button even if after the screen goes black. Keep holding until the Apple logo appears and then disappears again. Your iPhone screen will remain off, indicating that your phone is now completely powered down. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.